We're Select Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2014 Kia Cerato, stock number 6236. This ran from the 4th 2013 to the 2nd 2016. It has a G4NC 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is a G4NC 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Front bonnet, some light scratches. Left front 16-inch factory alloy magnet tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy magnet tyre. Rear tailgate. Garnishes. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy magnet tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front door, no dents. Right front door mirror. Right front guard, no dents. Right front 16-inch factory alloy magnet tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Manual gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light with sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.